Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to speak about a power within you, a silent, invisible force that shapes your decisions, fuels your habits, and directs your destiny. I'm talking about your subconscious mind. It's the operating system running in the background. And if you don't take control of it, it will control you. Your mind is like a garden, and your subconscious is the soil. Whatever you plant there, intentionally or unintentionally, will grow. The question is, what are you allowing to take root? The information, words, and images you consume are the seeds being sown in your subconscious mind daily. It is vital to understand that not all seeds are beneficial, and some may be downright toxic. This is why you must be vigilant about guarding your gates. Your gates are the entry points to your mind, your eyes, your ears, and your words. Everything you allow into these gates is absorbed by your subconscious, shaping your beliefs, behaviors, and ultimately your life. Think of it this way: you wouldn't leave the door to your house open, allowing anything or anyone to walk in. Similarly, you must protect the gates to your mind with even greater care, because the stakes are higher. What enters your mind determines your future. Start with what you see. Visual inputs are powerful because they leave a lasting impression on your mind. What are you watching? The media you consume, the environments you expose yourself to, and even the people you surround yourself with all contribute to the images imprinted in your subconscious. If you fill your mind with negativity, chaos, or failure, you'll find your thoughts reflecting the same. On the other hand, when you deliberately choose positive, uplifting, and inspiring content, you feed your subconscious with hope, success, and determination. Consider what you hear. Words have power. They can build you up or tear you down, and your subconscious takes them all in without filtering. Pay attention to the conversations you engage in and the voices you listen to. Are they life-giving or are they draining you? Surround yourself with voices that encourage, affirm, and inspire growth. Whether it's the music you listen to, the podcasts you follow, or the advice you receive, every word is a seed being planted in your subconscious. Choose wisely. Your words carry the greatest influence over your subconscious. Your self-talk, the things you say to yourself, shapes how you perceive the world and your place in it. Words spoken in frustration, doubt, or fear can become self-fulfilling prophecies because your subconscious does not differentiate between a careless comment and a genuine belief. It takes every word as truth and works to bring it to reality. Speak life over yourself. Declare your potential, your purpose, and your power, even when you don't feel it. Over time, your subconscious will align with the words you repeatedly speak. Guarding your gates requires discipline. It's not a one-time act, but a daily practice. You must be intentional, filtering every input through the lens of whether it serves your purpose or detracts from it. When you become the gatekeeper of your mind, you take control of what grows in your subconscious, setting the stage for a life that reflects your highest aspirations. Repetition is one of the most powerful tools for reprogramming the subconscious mind. Unlike the conscious mind, which learns through logic and reasoning, the subconscious is shaped by constant exposure and repeated input. What you repeatedly think, say, and focus on becomes deeply ingrained, forming the patterns that guide your actions and decisions. This is why deliberate repetition is essential when you want to align your subconscious with the life you desire. The subconscious doesn't question or analyze, it simply absorbs and acts on the information it's given. This means that the beliefs and habits stored in your subconscious are often the result of years of repeated exposure to thoughts, words, and experiences. Many of these were not chosen intentionally, but were absorbed from the environment, family, society, or past experiences. If these repeated influences were negative, they likely created limiting beliefs that now control your decisions. The good news is that the same principle of repetition that shaped these beliefs can also be used to change them. To begin the process of reprogramming, you must first identify what you want to embed into your subconscious. This could be a new belief about yourself, a specific goal, or a desired way of thinking. Clarity is key because the subconscious thrives on specificity. Once you've identified what you want, the next step is to design affirmations or statements that reflect that truth. These should be positive, present tense declarations that align with the reality you want to create. For example, instead of saying, "I want to be successful," you say, "I am successful." The subconscious responds to certainty, not wishful thinking. Once you have your affirmations, repeat them consistently. This is not a one-time exercise, but a daily practice. Speak them out loud with conviction, write them down, and visualize them as if they are already true. The more you repeat these affirmations, the more your subconscious begins to accept them as reality. It's like planting seeds in fertile soil with consistent care and repetition. They will grow into strong, unshakable beliefs. Repetition works best when paired with emotion. Words spoken without feeling are less effective because the subconscious responds strongly to emotional intensity. When you declare your affirmations, feel the truth of them in your heart. Let the excitement, gratitude, or confidence of achieving that reality flood your being as you speak. This emotional connection accelerates the process of embedding these beliefs in your subconscious. Consistency is the cornerstone of reprogramming. Whether it's through spoken words, written affirmations, or mental visualization, the key is to repeat the process until it becomes second nature. Your subconscious does not have a timeline, it only knows what is repeated most often. Over time, the repeated messages you feed it will override old, limiting beliefs, creating a foundation for new possibilities and outcomes. This process is not quick, but it is powerful, and it works if you remain committed. The subconscious mind thrives on imagery. It does not operate on logic or reasoning, but instead responds to the pictures and scenarios vividly imagined in your mind. This is why visualization is such a powerful tool for shaping your reality. When you visualize, you are creating mental blueprints that your subconscious accepts as real, guiding your thoughts and actions to align with what you've imagined. Visualization begins with clarity. You must have a precise idea of what you want to achieve or become. A vague picture will not activate the subconscious effectively because it lacks the details needed to make it believable. For example, if your goal is success, you need to define what success looks like for you. Is it a thriving career, a peaceful home, or financial freedom? Once you have that clarity, you can begin to build the mental images that will guide your subconscious toward that vision. When visualizing, engage all your senses. The more detailed and lifelike the image, the more effective it is in influencing your subconscious. Close your eyes and picture yourself achieving your goal. See the colors, the environment, and the people around you. Hear the sounds of that moment, whether it's applause, laughter, or even your own voice speaking with confidence. Feel the textures, the warmth of the sun on your skin, or the coolness of the air. Smell the scents that might accompany that success, whether it's the aroma of a celebratory meal or the fresh air of a new place. By immersing yourself in the visualization with all your senses, you make the experience more real to your subconscious mind. Emotion is a critical component of effective visualization. Your subconscious responds most powerfully to feelings. As you visualize, allow yourself to experience the emotions that come with achieving your goal. Feel the pride, joy, gratitude, or excitement of living that reality. Let those emotions fill you completely as you hold the image in your mind. The combination of detailed imagery and strong emotion creates a compelling message that your subconscious cannot ignore. Consistency is key to making visualization work. It is not enough to visualize once and expect results. You must make it a daily practice, dedicating time to intentionally focus on your desired reality. The more you visualize, the more familiar the images and emotions become to your subconscious. Over time, it begins to accept them as normal and works to align your actions, habits, and decisions to match what you've imagined. Visualization is also a tool to overcome doubt and fear. When negative thoughts or limiting beliefs arise, use visualization to counter them. Instead of focusing on what could go wrong, shift your mind to the vivid picture of your success. Replace worry with confidence by seeing yourself overcoming challenges and thriving. This mental exercise rewires your subconscious to expect success rather than failure, changing the way you approach obstacles in real life. The subconscious mind operates on beliefs, many of which were formed early in life and remain unchallenged. These beliefs, whether true or false, become the foundation for how you perceive yourself, your potential, and the world around you. Unfortunately, many of these beliefs are limiting, based on past experiences, failures, or the words of others. They form a mental framework that quietly dictates your decisions, actions, and outcomes, often holding you back from your true potential. To take control of your subconscious mind, you must identify and challenge these lies. The first step is awareness. Many limiting beliefs operate in the background, influencing your behavior without you even realizing it. They may appear as automatic thoughts like "I'm not good enough," "I always fail," or "I don't deserve success." These statements are often accepted as truth because they've been repeated so many times, but they are nothing more than lies that need to be exposed. Start paying attention to the negative thoughts that arise in your mind, especially in moments of doubt, fear, or hesitation. Write them down so you can analyze them. Once you've identified a limiting belief, the next step is to question its validity. Ask yourself, where did this belief come from? Is it based on fact, or is it a story I've been telling myself? Often you'll find that these beliefs are rooted in past experiences or external opinions that have no real basis in truth. For example, a failure in the past may have led to the belief that you're incapable. But one failure does not define your abilities or your future. By examining the origin of these beliefs, you begin to strip them of their power. After challenging the lie, replace it with a new, empowering belief. Your subconscious cannot operate on a void, it needs something to hold on to. Craft a positive affirmation that directly counters the limiting belief. If you've been telling yourself, "I'm not smart enough," replace it with, "I am capable, intelligent, and constantly growing." Speak this new belief out loud, write it down, and repeat it daily. Over time, the repeated affirmation begins to overwrite the old lie, becoming the new foundation for your thoughts and actions. Emotion plays a key role in this process. It's not enough to simply say the new belief, you must feel it. When you declare your affirmation, let yourself experience the emotions associated with it: confidence, pride, and excitement. The more you connect emotionally to the new belief, the more your subconscious accepts it as reality. Another powerful tool for challenging lies is evidence. Look for examples in your life that contradict the limiting belief. If you believe you're not good enough, recall moments where you succeeded, overcame obstacles, or demonstrated strength. These moments serve as proof that the lie is not true. By focusing on this evidence, you build a stronger case for the new belief you're embedding in your subconscious. The subconscious mind needs direction, and there is no better guide than aligning it with a higher purpose. Without a clear blueprint, the subconscious can become a repository for random thoughts, societal influences, and past experiences that may not serve you. But when you align it with your Creator's design, your true purpose, you give your mind a divine standard to follow, one that is rooted in clarity, truth, and power. This alignment transforms your subconscious into a tool that not only reflects your potential, but also amplifies it. To align with your Creator's blueprint, begin by understanding that you are not here by accident. You were created intentionally with purpose and greatness built into your design. Your unique talents, dreams, and passions are not random. They are clues to the purpose you were designed to fulfill. Spend time reflecting on what drives you, what fulfills you, and what resonates deeply within your soul. These are the elements of the blueprint your Creator has given you, and recognizing them is the first step in aligning your subconscious. Meditation and prayer are powerful tools in this process. They create space for you to quiet the noise of the world and tune into the voice of your Creator. In these moments of stillness, you can seek clarity, ask for guidance, and receive inspiration about your purpose. As you meditate or pray, you begin to develop a stronger connection to your Creator's design, allowing it to influence your thoughts, emotions, and actions. These practices also help to anchor your mind in truths that transcend fear, doubt, and negativity. Once you have a sense of your purpose, begin to affirm it consistently. Speak your purpose out loud and declare it over your life. For example, if you sense that your purpose is to inspire others, you might affirm, "I am a source of inspiration and transformation for those around me." These affirmations should align with the blueprint you believe your Creator has set for you, reinforcing it in your subconscious mind. The more you repeat these affirmations, the more they become a core part of your identity, influencing every aspect of your life. Surrounding yourself with environments, people, and resources that reflect your Creator's design is also essential. When you engage with positive, uplifting influences, they reinforce the truths of your blueprint, strengthening their hold on your subconscious. Seek out mentors, books, and communities that align with your purpose, as they will help you stay grounded and focused on your path. Visualize yourself walking in alignment with your purpose. Close your eyes and imagine fulfilling your Creator's design for your life. Picture the impact you're making, the lives you're touching, and the legacy you're building. This visualization not only strengthens your connection to your purpose, but also programs your subconscious to move toward it naturally. When you consistently visualize your life in alignment with your blueprint, you create a mental roadmap that your subconscious follows, guiding you toward the fulfillment of your purpose.